Alright guys, so today we are headed to go to the track. If you guys don't know and haven't been keeping up with the channel, you guys would have known that I did go to the track with my 03 Terminator Cobra back last year. But now that I've finally done some stuff to the 5.0, I figured I'd take that one plus the Cobra. The clutch is still be broken in, so I couldn't drive it. But we have Mr. Yogi behind us at the moment. And we're going to be rolling out with Abraham and Chris. And they're going to be racing the GT 500s. And I'm going to be racing the Bolt-On 5.0 on 85. And we have Mr. Yogi behind us. I don't know if he's going to be, he's not racing it. But nonetheless, should be a fun time. And I can't wait to see what this car, my goal with this car would be to do a mid 12 second pass. I'd be happy with that. And then we got Yogi right there. What's that? Oh my god. Hey, what's the time prediction? 8. We'll get that at 8? Yeah. Well, that's when it starts, the racing. Nice and green. You ready, Chris, or what?
We about to hit the track today, guys.
Yeah, tell him, let him know.
I'm gonna smoke Abraham today.
Oh.
Not cause I'm faster, but cause I know he's gonna not be able to hook with this 1,000 horsepower beast.
We'll put a gallon of 85 in here.
You got a
5 gallons?
That's guard beans.
Yes, sir. We'll call it.
Oh, Ben's here.
Mr. AlexSVT. What's Gucci? So we're gonna head to the track right now. We got 2 Shelbys right now. We're gonna take the 5.0. Hopefully the 5.0 puts it work. I think it'll run the same time as the Cobra's last time, but I'm not sure yet. But this one is gonna hopefully be putting it work. Low 10s, probably the goal. Chris, probably 11s, mine. So we're all a second apart, I think, in terms of speed. So who knows? All right, Mr. HHR. What do you think time prediction?
10-5.
10-5. I think we're all a second apart. No? 10, 11, 12? No?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
10, 11, 12.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Oh,
Don't leave me.
don't leave me. Take me with you.
No.
You haven't seen it?
No.
Nope.
So like I said before, I believe that the 5.0 will hopefully run mid 12s. That's my goal. Bolt-on car E85 should be pretty good. But like I said, the Cobra has ran better times, but we'll see what happens. I think I'm gonna just try to take it easy.
Who's ready to hustle hard?
After? Oh, I don't know if
Not after, they close us in. Look at her. Hey, what happens if your clutch goes out?
I don't think it'll go out because it hasn't been slid. You have to call Woodard. I don't have to call Woodard. He's gonna come all the way out here. So we're taking some pictures with the homie Yogi.
But I'm not. Shawty, tell me if you wanna go kick rocks, yeah. Cause I ain't got time for this. Ay, girl, you know I waited over time for this. Ay, in the meantime, I'ma glide away.
Alright guys, so we made it to Famoso Raceway. We got a nice Coyote right there, looking smooth. Oh, it's Pro Charge. Sheesh. Yeah. I have a header leak, which kind of sucks, but we'll lose a little bit of power, but hey, we're gonna still make it work. So either way, it's gonna be cool. Damn. Corvette. Oh, like I said, if we need to burn this clutch, we're gonna burn it because we have the center force waiting at home. So I think our only issue would be just not even being able to drive it home. But hey, I think we should be okay. But yeah, let's get the night started and we'll see what's popping. We're getting Abraham's whole drag set out. He has the Ford Stars. Do you think it's gonna hook or are you gonna have traction problems? I think.
As long as you don't
I think you might hook.
So I gotta do like 2 practice hits.
2 practice runs. Yeah, I think everyone's gonna have to do a little practice. But Chris is torquing down his wheels.
Yeah. Hey, you know we got bands to get. Out the city, just imagine it. So I be in the hills and you a bad one. I be in the hills and you my bad one. You know we got
12.8?
12.8.
For the first run. I think I'm gonna run. I think if I don't hook or nothing, it goes like to shit 13 seconds.
What do you think? What do you think you're gonna run first pass?
13 seconds, I
I
think.
say 12.8.
What?
Say 1420, Blaze.
I'm not vlogging. All right, guys, so right now we're headed to inspection with the 5.0. I should pass out pretty easy. The issue in the past has been that the Cobra's been a drop top, but I think we're gonna be good this time. So hopefully, wish for the best, fingers crossed, and we'll catch you guys in a bit.
A jacket, a helmet.
Yeah, I'm gonna be sharing with the guy up there. He had a gray Shelby.
I need to see the helmet down here.
Oh, the helmet? Yeah, I have the helmet, yeah.
And you've been at this track before?
Yes, I have.
The ones in the water now are
So you know where the turn-offs are.
All right, well, I guess we're getting ready to go. All right, guys, so we're gonna go for our first pass right now. We're just gonna do a little test, nothing crazy. Don't really know what to expect at the moment, but we got through inspection very fast. It's faster than usual, so we're gonna see what's up. We'll do a little burnout. Let's see my stock clutch holds up. We'll do a little burnout. Kind of nervous. Alright guys, so we're going for our second pass now. I'm going against Chris. Let's see how Chris does against me. Sheesh, there we go. We bucked a little bit, but the launch control really helped. All right, guys, so we did, what was our second run? Yeah. That was the second run, and we ran like a 13-second pass, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Cobra is for sure faster, but aside from that, I think if we launch it good, we'll be able to get into the 12s. I'll be happy with the 12-second pass, so we'll see. My clutch doesn't like me either, so I don't know. I believe this is our third run now, so we're gonna see how she does. I think the Cobra definitely is performing a lot better. One of the things is I have long ass gears, 331s in the back, and then we also have not the best tires, as I just roll around on the street with them, but I didn't think they'd spin this bad, so we're gonna find out and see what the dealio is with this, so who knows. Initialize it. The 5.0 finally ran a 12.9 at least, so hopefully we can get into the lower numbers and see what's up. Oh, you don't know what you ran?
I don't know. It felt good.
Yeah? Felt better on that one.
That max over? No, I felt good.
I mean, it's way cooler, no?
It was.
You raced the old school, that one? Or no, you raced the orange? Wait. Oh, shit. Yes, sir. So Abraham just clicked off his 10-second run finally. He's been wanting that for a while, so excited for that. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna continue just hot lapping the car, just have some fun with it, and hopefully everything's still good. So we'll catch you guys in a bit. 12.9 again?
Yeah, that's what they told me.
What?
Well, it has, I don't know.
Oh,
where
okay,
it's at.
okay. Man, that clutch f***ed me up bad. Clutch, man, it got too hot. So after my runs, we're gonna film Chris a little bit, let the car cool off. I think my clutch got way too hot, so we'll see if Chris can redeem himself. Gonna redeem himself or what?
Hopefully.
Is this his first run or not? Or did he run after when he did the burnout? That's pretty good, but the clutch got too hot. 1.9? The best?
That's Abraham's too, 1.9.
Oh, he got a 1.960.
I think his best was 1.7.
I had a good light, yeah, it was 1.7. Slip the clutch at like 4,000 RPM and then you ride it so it gets hot when you're like disengaging. Orange Fury right here, looks clean. Pro Charge 5.0 versus C6 Z06 maybe? Alright guys, so me and Chris SVT are headed to our cars right now. We're gonna be running again. We took a little break, but Chris's best run has been what, 11.7?
11.7,
which is pretty good.
It's all right. I should be able to hit 11.3, but at first I had my PSI way too high, and I was dumping the clutch.
And it just spin city right there.
I'm not really.
One of the runs just went bad.
Huh? Yeah, dude.
But
I was going sideways. I had to let off like 3 times. It's my first time at the track, getting the hang of it.
Yeah.
Mistakes, learn from you.
This is the first time at the track with the 5.0. The Cobra I kind of got used to, but none of the clutch. Look what Chris is doing, setting up the gap camera for me, so he wants to get the side view of me losing. They'd be like, what the There's no disengagement. I'm telling you, it's on its way out. I'm telling you.
You'll probably.
That's what I'm.
Last few seconds.
Yeah.
That's it.
But you can tell it don't
You're
engage.
have to change it tomorrow, bro.
Yeah. I will say the Shelby go hard though. This Fox earlier did like an 8-second pass, so this shit moves out. Oh, he let off. Alright guys, so that is going to conclude track day with the cars. Now, I wasn't very super pleased with the results of the 5.0 as my clutch is going out and the tires weren't the best. So a combination of that stuff really, you know, not the best results. So I can't complain. I got into the 12s, but the Cobra is definitely a lot faster than normal. So it is what it is, but hopefully next time I'm bringing the Cobra, not the 5.0. And nonetheless, had a good time, made it work. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in a bit.